Ever wondered what secrets Jamaica was hiding 90 years ago? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the time capsule with this burning question. What was Jamaica like in 1933? Get ready to uncover the untold stories, the highs, the lows, and the downright fascinating moments that shaped the island's history. From banana plantations to legal revolutions, from hurricanes to cultural explosions, we're peeling back the layers of time on this island. So, are you curious to discover the rhythm of Kingston's cultural explosion or the resilience that weathered a hurricane? Join us on this historical joyride as we unravel Jamaica history 90 years ago. Hit subscribe now and let's embark on this time travel adventure together. In the vibrant 1930s, Jamaica wasn't just an island, it was a sea of green with endless banana plantations stretching to the horizon. The air was perfumed with the sweet aroma of ripe bananas, creating a sensory symphony that echoed the island's economic boom. Farmers, the unsung heroes, worked tirelessly day and night, turning vast fields into gold mines of the banana trade. This wasn't just about a fruit, it was about prosperity and growth. Jamaica's banana industry wasn't a mere local affair, it was in fact a global player. The bananas harvested from these plantations traveled far and wide, reaching international markets and putting Jamaica on the world map. The economic pulse of the island throbbed with the rhythm of banana cultivation, shaping not only its landscape, but also the destiny of hardworking communities. It's a tale of green fields, ripe success, and the heartbeat of a thriving nation. Let's set the stage for a tale of courage and change. In the 1930s, when legal domains were male-dominated landscapes, entered Daisy Lucille Chambers, a trailblazer rewriting the narrative. Breaking the glass ceiling wasn't just a metaphor for her, it was a bold reality. In a time when societal norms sought to confine women, Chambers stood tall, proving that the corridors of justice were meant for intellect irrespective of gender. Daisy Lucille Chambers wasn't just a lawyer, she was a living testament to empowerment in action. Her journey wasn't just a solitary victory, it was a beacon of hope for women across Jamaica. As she navigated the legal labyrinth, Chambers left an indelible mark not just on legal records, but on the hearts of those inspired by her tenacity. Brace yourselves for a tale of strength and resilience as we rewind to 1933 when Jamaica stood face to face with the wrath of a formidable hurricane. The island, like a warrior in a storm, faced adversity head on. Homes rattled, winds howled, but the spirit of the Jamaican people proved unshakable. It wasn't just about weathering a storm, it was a collective triumph of community spirit. The aftermath of the hurricane revealed not only the scars left by the tempest, but also the unwavering resolve of the Jamaicans. Communities rallied together, rebuilding what nature had temporarily dismantled. It became a chapter in Jamaican history, not of destruction, but of resilience and unity. The hurricane may have roared, but Jamaica roared back, showcasing a tenacity that's become an integral part of the island's identity. Get ready to dance through time as we dive into the rhythmic renaissance of Kingston in the 1930s. Picture this, streets pulsating with the beats of jazz, alive with the brushstrokes of visionary artists, and resonating with the words of emerging literary talent. Kingston was more than just a city. It was a canvas painted with the vibrant hues of cultural expression. The 1930s marked the dawn of a creative revolution. Jazz music echoed through the streets, setting the rhythm for a cultural explosion that reverberated across the island. Artists like Edna Manley and Albert Huey were the maestros orchestrating the symphony of creativity. Kingston wasn't just a city, it was a melting pot where diverse artistic expressions converged. As we explore the cultural tapestry, witness how Kingston became a magnetic force, drawing talents from every nook and cranny of Jamaica. It's not just a story, it's a journey through the heart of a city that birthed a cultural legacy, shaping the identity of Jamaica in ways that still echo today. In the 1930s, Jamaica witnessed a transformative era with the advent of the railway revolution. It wasn't just about moving from point A to point B. It was a dynamic force connecting communities, fostering economic growth, and making travel an accessible adventure. Picture this. a network of tracks weaving through the island, not just transporting goods, but knitting together the very fabric of Jamaican life. The expansion of the railway system wasn't merely utilitarian, it was a lifeline for rural areas, opening up new economic avenues for farmers and facilitating the movement of people. It transformed the landscape, creating a web of interconnected opportunities. In the 1930s, Jamaica birthed the roots of Rastafarianism, a movement deeply entwined with the island's quest for identity and equality. This wasn't just a spiritual awakening, it was a cultural revolution that reverberates through time. Dive into the ethos of love, equality, and respect for nature that define Rastafarianism, born out of the struggle and resilience of Black Jamaicans. The movement not only embraced a unique way of life, but also gave birth to distinctive music, blending reggae, ska, and other genres. Today, Rastafarianism stands as a global cultural and spiritual force. As World War II cast its shadow, Jamaica emerged as a stalwart contributor, offering both soldiers and valuable resources. Witness the bravery of figures like the Jamaican-born fighter pilot Billy Strachan, whose daring feats became legendary. The war brought not just challenges, but also an unparalleled sense of national pride and unity. Jamaica's pivotal role in supplying essential goods like bauxite, sugar, and bananas showcased its resilience in the face of adversity. The island became a beacon of valiance and resourcefulness. No time to catch your breath, let's plunge into the storm of the Great Depression. The 1930s weren't just a test for Jamaica's economic and social fabric, they were a crucible of resilience. Jamaicans, like true warriors, adapted to the economic realities with ingenious solutions. The government stepped in with social and economic reforms, laying the groundwork for a more equitable and just future. This wasn't just about weathering a financial tempest, it was a collective effort to protect the most vulnerable members of society. The reforms implemented during this challenging era became the building blocks for future progress. And there you have it, guys. A whirlwind tour through Jamaica's history 90 years ago. From banana plantations to legal milestones, hurricanes to cultural explosions, we've explored it all. If you've enjoyed this historical roller coaster, don't forget to hit that like button, share the love, and subscribe for more adventures into Jamaica's vibrant past. Until next time, keep the positive vibes flowing and never stop exploring the rich tapestry of our history. One love.